Hey, welcome to another unboxing. Hello, friends, family, and strangers. We have another unboxing by Hwagol smartwatch. Not a lot of branding in this one. We got the watch, the basic watch, smartwatch, make and receive phone calls. Alright. Wearables, color is black. What we got right here? Smartwatches, fitness tracker, black, new G20, made in China. Alright. Specifications, JU Pro. Screen size 1.83 inch, so it's 240 by 280. Full screen touch. Bare metal size 46.5 millimeters, 38.5 millimeters, 11 millimeters. Compatibility: support Android 5.1, iOS 8.2 and above. Weight is 36 grams. Waterproof is IP67. Battery capacity is 230 mAh. Package includes smartwatch, charging cable, multi-language user manual. Got a QR code for you to download the app. And the fitness. Alright, let's get this sucker open. Ooh. I like how jet black it is. It's nice. Let's take it out. There's a user manual, the charging cable. Alright, we're going to put that away to the side. Very nice. Very Apple-esque like. Quick release straps, which is nice. I like that. Very supple silicone strap. Ooh, that came off real nice. Very clean. Let me get my little wipey. Very clean. I hope it's charged. Let's do it. Very quick on vibration. Wow. Rotates. Don't know if it does anything. Steps. Beats per minute. Sleep. Weather. Audio control, and back to main. There we go. Opens up to more. And different types of heart rate, beat per minute. Let's see what that does. What that means? I think maybe it's timeout. Let's go to settings. Power off. Restart. Restore factory settings. Language. Download the app. Go back. Yep, beats. Same thing. Oh. Ooh, I like that. There's plenty to go around and look. Breathing exercise. News. Sleep, obviously. What's this one? Contacts. Excellent. The app, of course. Ooh, cool. You got a little calculator. Looks nice. I like it. What's this part? Music. Clock. Flashlight. Sleep, obviously. O2 oxygen. Is that correct? O2 oxygen? Yep. What else? So there's their exercise, walk, run, cycle, basketball, football, badminton, nice, rope skipping, ping pong, that's cool, tennis, baseball, yoga. I like it. All right, let's put it on. Actually, let's do some measurements. Width is 38.6. Lug to lug is 44.9, so basically 45. Thickness 11.9. Crown size for you crown fanatics 6.8. Strap, what's it gonna be? 22. It looks like a 22. It is a 24. Wow, that's a large strap. Double check on that. Yep, 24 on the dot. Alright, so if you want to change the strap, look for 24 millimeters. I like high gloss. I suggest getting a screen protector for it. I like the watch face. Can you change it? Yes, you can. Huh, I like that one. Ooh, that's cool. Alright, we'll stick to the original. Large watch strap. Be able to fit small wrist and a very large wrist. Just so you know, my wrist is a 7-inch circumference. And there we go. Let's go ahead and download the app. Audio tests. I can hear you, right? You can hear me? Does it sound good?
Sounds clear. Sounds like it's coming from a phone.
Oh, really? Okay, cool.
Yeah.
I guess the microphone sounds good, right?
Huh?
Microphone sounds good?
Yeah, no distortion or anything. I mean, you're not outside like a bunch of winter traffic. But...
No, I'm totally inside. All right, cool. Thank you again.
No problem.
Bye-bye. Hey, thank you for hanging out and watching this unboxing. We'll see you guys in the next one. Thank you.